Today is September 30th, 2017. This is the dishwasher at my apartment, Cathedral Green, apartment 107. This dishwasher is not working now. It's in functional working order within 24 hours ago. And now you see the water collecting in it. This is the condition in which the dishwasher is in. It's never been serviced, never been cleaned. The blade itself, which is this, completely dirty and filtered with dirt. You don't want to be in a situation like this. Know who you're renting from. Again, this is 809 Asylum Avenue, apartment 107 in Hartford, Connecticut. And it's Cathedral Green. Know who not to rent from.